In this video, I'm going to show you how to display milliseconds in VLC Media Player, step by step, using a free extension. This is extremely useful if you're doing precise video editing, transcription, syncing audio, or any kind of frame-accurate review where seconds alone just aren't enough. We'll go through downloading the correct extension, installing it in the right folders, activating it inside VLC, and making sure everything works properly. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software guides like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, you'll need to download the time extension for VLC. Open your browser and go to the VLC add-ons page and look for Time version 3.2. This extension is specifically designed to enhance the time display in VLC, including showing milliseconds. Once you find it, download the extension file. It usually comes as a zip file, so make sure you know where it's saved on your computer, like your Downloads folder. Next, we need to locate VLC's Lua folders on your system. Open File Explorer and navigate to your VLC installation directory. On most Windows systems, this will be located at c:/programfiles/videolan/VLC. Inside the VLC folder, look for a folder called Lua. Open that, and inside you should see subfolders including INTF and extensions. If you don't see them yet, don't worry, we can create them when needed. Now it's time to install the extension files. Start by extracting the zip file you downloaded earlier. Open the extracted folder, and inside you should see two important files. The first one is called time_extent.lua. Next, go back to the extracted extension folder again and locate the file called time_intf.lua. This file is usually inside a folder named INTF. Copy this time_intf.lua file, then return to your VLC directory, open the Lua folder, and then open the INTF folder. If the INTF folder does not exist, create it manually by right-clicking and choosing New Folder, then name it INTF. Paste the time_intf.lua file into this folder. If Windows asks for administrator permission, click Allow to continue. Once both files are in the correct locations, the installation part is complete. Now close VLC Media Player completely if it's open, and then reopen it. Restarting VLC is important so it can load the new extension properly. After VLC restarts, right-click in the main library area and select Add Files. Then choose any video file you want to test with. Once your video is loaded and playing, go up to the top menu and click on View. In the View menu, look for an option called Time v3.2 INTF, or something very similar. Click on it to activate the extension. Once enabled, you should now see the playback time displayed with milliseconds instead of just seconds. This gives you much finer control and visibility over playback timing, which is perfect for detailed analysis or professional workflows. You can also adjust your playlist while you're here. If you want to change the playback order, simply drag items up or down in the playlist panel to rearrange them. When you're done organizing, you can save your playlist by going to Media, then Save Playlist to File. Choose a format like M3U or XSPF, give it a name, and save it to your computer so you can reuse it later. And that's it. You've successfully enabled millisecond display in VLC Media Player using a free extension. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.